If you have an asymmetrical case of pectus, which is very common from my experience coaching, thousands of people over the last 6 years, I've seen it in more cases than not have some degree of asymmetry. As humans, we're not symmetrical, let alone our conditions of pectus. But what I've seen in a lot of cases is not only is the asymmetry from a muscular structure point of view, which we can't change, but it's also often from a muscular imbalance point of view. So one side is stronger and bigger than the other, which is really common. And so when you have a muscular imbalance, then that size imbalance will accentuate the asymmetry. So something I do with my clients who have asymmetrical pectus is program for them a lot of unilateral chest exercises where we start with the weaker side to try and balance that out. But what we're focusing on in this video is actually testing and diagnosing whether there is a strength imbalance that is accentuating or creating the asymmetry of your chest and your pectus condition. So the test is really simple. Get a dumbbell that will be like a challenging weight for you to do a unilateral dumbbell press. And we're going to do as many reps as we can on one side and as many reps as we can on the other side. And if there's an imbalance, then it's an indicator that one side of your chest is stronger than the other, and thus one side is probably bigger than the other, and therefore it's accentuating your asymmetrical pectus and making that look worse. So give the test a try and see what you get. I just did the test and my results were completely symmetrical, which I'm stoked about. And to be honest, when I started training, my left side was definitely a lot stronger and bigger, and I've been able to even that out through utilizing unilateral movements in my training as well. It's still slightly bigger than my right just due to the structure that I do have, but through balancing out my muscular imbalance and targeting my right side, always starting with that and then only matching the reps with my stronger left side, I've been able to balance that out a bit. So it has improved the look of my chest. So just a handy tip for you guys, do the tests and see for yourself where you're at, and then start implementing unilateral exercises, starting with the weaker side and only ever matching with the stronger side. And over time, over a very long period of time, the stimulus on the weaker side will be more and it will eventually catch up.